Lily and Nutty leaned over the worn pages of the magical book, their eyes wide with anticipation. The sun warmed their faces as they sketched out plans for their garden. Nutty's tiny paws gripped the pencils, and Lily's fingers traced the outlines of flower beds. The empty garden space stretched before them, a canvas waiting to be painted with life. The sun climbed higher, casting long shadows as Lily and Nutty knelt in the soil. Their brows furrowed with effort, and sweat dripped from their foreheads. Nutty's little shovel dug into the earth, while Lily carefully placed seeds in neat rows. They were creating more than a garden, they were sowing dreams. Lily held the seed packet, marveling at the potential within. Nutty pointed to the brochure, listing off names like a seasoned gardener. Together, they chose sunflowers, tomatoes, and fragrant herbs. Each seed held a promise of growth, of beauty, of sustenance. With precision, Lily and Nutty planted the seeds. The magical book lay open nearby, its pages fluttering in the breeze. Nutty sprinkled water from the can, and Lily placed markers with care. The garden came alive, a symphony of green shoots and whispered secrets. One morning, they knelt together, eyes wide. Tiny green sprouts had pushed through the soil, reaching for the sun. Lily's laughter mingled with Nutty's chittering excitement. The garden was awakening, and so were their hearts. Days turned into weeks. Lily and Nutty tended to their garden, watering, weeding, and chasing away curious bugs. The calendar on the wall filled with X's, marking each day they spent together. The garden grew, and so did their bond. And then, it happened. The garden burst forth in a riot of colors. Sunflowers stood tall, tomatoes blushed red, and butterflies danced among the blossoms. Lily and Nutty sat in the heart of their creation, their faces glowing with joy. The garden was more than they ever imagined, it was magic. Their friends and family arrived, their eyes widening at the lush garden. Baskets overflowed with vegetables and flowers. Nutty handed out sunflowers, and Lily shared tomatoes. Laughter echoed through the garden as they celebrated the harvest. Lily and Nutty knew that this was more than a garden, it was love, growth, and shared abundance.